Did you know that some of Amazon's top KDP authors achieve their success by doing the opposite of what most people think? That's right, sometimes the path to success isn't about following the crowd, but it's about taking bold, counterintuitive actions. Buckle up because I'm about to reveal how 4 authors defied conventional wisdom and thrived on KDP. Lesson 1 is about how laser-focused niches can be more profitable. This is a story about Alex, an aspiring author who initially wrote children's workbooks, hoping to appeal to a broad audience. After months of mediocre sales, Alex stumbled upon a hidden gem, laser-focused niches. He decided to pivot, focusing specifically on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths. The key takeaway from Alex's approach is the intensity of his research. Alex immersed himself in forums, social media groups, and engaged with parenting communities to understand their needs for STEM educational materials. He tailored his marketing directly to this niche, emphasizing the long-term benefits of early STEM education. This approach built him a loyal readership eagerly awaiting his next release. STEM education is increasingly crucial for future success, with rapid growth projected in STEM occupations. To apply this approach to your own niche, identify a gap. Look for underserved areas within your category. Conduct market research. Dive deep into forums, social media, and educational platforms to understand your audience. Create tailored content. Develop books that directly address these gaps. Target marketing. Craft messages that resonate with your audience. Build a community. Engage authentically to foster loyalty and word-of-mouth promotion. Alex's story highlights the power of a laser-focused niche. For you as a self-published author, the key is understanding your audience deeply and authentically engaging with them. When you're ready to take your self-publishing to the next level, click the link in the description for my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. And speaking of standing out, let's talk about a quality over quantity approach next. This lesson is about quality over quantity. This is the story of Jake, who believed that more books meant more sales. He churned out several mediocre titles in a short span. Sales were lackluster and reviews were unkind. Frustrated, Jake decided to slow down the progress and focus on writing one exceptional book. He spent months perfecting his craft, resulting in a captivating historical fiction novel that resonated with readers. You see, what made Jake's new approach so successful was how he delved deep into his craft. Jake invested time in writing workshops and sought feedback from beta readers to enhance his writing skills. Also, Jake hired a professional editor to polish his manuscript, ensuring it was error-free and engaging. Also, Jake crafted a strategic launch plan, including a pre-launch campaign to build anticipation. To recap Jake's story, the shift to quality over quantity is what led to the uptick and consistency in sales. For you as a self-published author, focus on producing high-quality content can lead to a more loyal reader base and better long-term success. Next, let's explore how one author thrived without spending a dime on advertising. The name of this lesson is Paid Advertising Isn't Always Necessary. This is the story of Adrian. Unlike many of his peers, Adrian didn't have a budget for paid advertising. So instead, he turned to organic marketing strategies. He built a social media presence, engaged with his followers, and consistently provided value. He also created a free blog on Wix related to his book's themes, attracting a steady stream of readers. The key points to learn from Adrian's approach is leverage social media. Adrian used platforms like Instagram and YouTube to connect with his audience, sharing insights, behind-the-scenes content, and teasers. Build an email list. He offered a free novella to entice readers to join his email list, ensuring he had a direct line of communication with his fans. Engage continuously. Adrian regularly interacted with his followers, responding to comments and messages, fostering a community around his work. You see, Adrian demonstrated that organic strategies can build a dedicated readership without the need to pay for ads. Now, for you as a self-published author, engaging authentically with readers can create a loyal and enthusiastic fan base. And now let's talk about the power of slow and steady growth over the desire for overnight success. This is a lesson of slow and steady growth beats overnight success. This is the story of Dana, who dreamed of becoming an instant bestseller on Amazon. After several failed attempts, he realized that building a lasting career required patience and persistence. Dana focused on gradually growing his audience, improving his writing with each book, and learning from his experiences. The key points for you to take away from Dana's approach is build a loyal reader base. Dana focused on connecting with his readers through book clubs, author events, and personalized newsletters. Continuous improvement, he treated each book as a learning opportunity, investing in courses and feedback to hone his craft. Understand the market. Dana kept a pulse on his genre, understanding trends and reader preferences to stay relevant. So a quick recap for you. Dana's commitment to slow and steady growth paid off with a loyal following and sustained success. For you as a self-published author, patience and persistence can lead to a more rewarding and enduring career. So let's recap the key points of this video. Laser-focused niches can be more profitable. Quality over quantity leads to sustained success. Paid advertising isn't always necessary. Slow and steady growth beats overnight success. Adopting these counterintuitive strategies can set you apart and pave the way for your success. Remember, sometimes going against the grain is the best way forward. So what counterintuitive strategy have you tried or are considering for your KDP journey? Put your stuff in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. Until next time.